Today's medical-centric topic is power walking, the whys and hows of a life-changing exercise technique. When it comes to improving physical fitness and overall health, exercise plays a crucial role. Power walking, a low-impact form of aerobic exercise, has gained popularity as an effective way to boost cardiovascular fitness, burn calories, and improve overall well-being. In this video, we will explore the benefits of power walking, how to incorporate it into your routine, and why it can be a life-changing exercise technique. Benefits of power walking. 1. Cardiovascular health. Power walking elevates your heart rate, improving cardiovascular fitness and strengthening your heart muscle. 2. Weight management. Regular power walking can help burn calories and contribute to weight loss or maintenance. 3. Muscle strength and tone. Power walking engages various muscle groups, including the legs, core, and arms, helping to improve strength and tone. 4. Low-impact exercise. Unlike running or high-impact exercises, power walking puts less stress on your joints, making it suitable for individuals with joint issues or those who prefer low-impact activities. 5. Mental well-being. Power walking releases endorphins, which can boost mood, reduce stress, and enhance mental well-being. 6. Increased energy levels. Engaging in regular power walking can boost energy levels, improve stamina, and combat fatigue. 7. Improved bone health. Weight-bearing exercises like power walking help strengthen bones, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Getting started with power walking. 1. Warm up. Before starting your power walk, warm up with a few minutes of light stretching or brisk walking to prepare your muscles. 2. Proper footwear. Invest in comfortable, supportive walking shoes that provide proper cushioning and fit well. 3. Posture. Maintain an upright posture while power walking, engaging your core muscles and keeping your shoulders relaxed. 4. Arm movement. Swing your arms naturally, bent at a 90-degree angle, as you walk to increase your overall calorie burn and engage your upper body. 5. Speed and intensity. Start with a comfortable pace and gradually increase your speed as you build endurance. Aim for a brisk pace that challenges you without causing excessive strain. 6. Duration and frequency. Begin with shorter power walks such as 10 to 15 minutes and gradually increase the duration to 30 minutes or more. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity power walking per week, spread over several days. 7. Cool down. After your power walk, allow your body to cool down gradually by slowing your pace and incorporating some light stretches. Tips for long-term success. 1. Consistency. Make power walking a regular part of your routine by scheduling dedicated time for it, whether it's in the morning, during lunch breaks, or in the evening. 2. Variety. Explore different routes, walking trails, or parks to keep your walks interesting and enjoyable. 3. Socialize. Consider joining a walking group or finding a walking buddy to make your power walks more fun and motivate each other. 4. Track progress. Use a fitness tracker or smartphone app to monitor your distance, pace, and calories burned, and set goals to challenge yourself and track your progress. 5. Listen to your body. Pay attention to any discomfort or pain during power walking. If you experience persistent pain or unusual symptoms, consult with a healthcare professional. Power walking offers numerous health benefits, from improved cardiovascular fitness to enhanced mental well-being. By incorporating power walking into your routine, you can enjoy a life-changing exercise technique that is accessible, low impact, and suitable for people of various fitness levels. Remember to start gradually, maintain proper form, and make power walking a consistent part of your lifestyle for long-term success. Get ready to experience the transformative power.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.